Hello everyone, today we are making ichinisan rice. For this, we need the rice and the rice vinegar. Let's get this rice open so we can start. Now let's pour the rice in our rice bowl. Like that. And set the rice aside. Now that that's done, we have to put the rice vinegar in. Make sure you get enough so that the rice is nice and gooey. Then it should look like this. Then put your rice vinegar aside. Now take your trusty wooden spoon and mix until it looks like this. Now put your spoon aside. Now we have to let it sit for a little bit in the microwave. While we wait, we can look at some nice yummy recipes to make with our homemade rice. Once you're done reading, the rice should be done. Let me go get the rice. I just got the rice. It looks really yummy. Now let's try it. Now grab your trusty spoon again and scoop out some rice. Look at how yummy the rice looks. Time for a taste test. Very delicious. Well, enough eating, and I'll show you what I made with this rice. But first, let's clean up the table. And lastly, let's fix up this table mat. Perfect. Now to show you what I've made. I've made Nigiri sushi, so let's try them. That was delicious. Next, we made tamaki sushi. Let's try it. Yum, that was really good. And lastly, we have the bento box. Let's try it. Yum, with even a little bit of spice. And really crunchy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make homemade rice. And what to make with the homemade rice. Well, thank you for watching and keep eating! It's so